What a rip-off. What a rip-off. I paid too much money for that outfit. What a rip-off. Turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye. As a police officer, you cannot turn a blind eye to any of the illegal activities around you. Give a piece of the action. Give a piece of the action. When my brother saw how much money I was making designing websites, he wanted a piece of the action and started working with me. Get the push. Get the push. He was caught in the act for his white-collar crime. It wasn't long until he got the push.